Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. No, in all seriousness, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it has been a little while since I have been MIA. What's this? A new garage? Yes, lately I have been MIA for the last month, but it is for a really good reason. For the past month, I've been moving out and bringing everything to the new house. I have been working hard enough and graceful to where I was able to move in with my really good friends, Ben and Max. But what I'm most excited about is, yes, I finally have my own garage so we can work on the Subaru and I can finally document everything without making it such a big hassle. It is really ugly right now, but we are painting the walls today and I have the Barina LED light setup coming in today. Now what's really cool about these lights is that they come in a pack of 6 and you get a pack of 6 for about $45 as well. And you can either choose to make them have their own connections and have them plug into their own power source, or you can connect them all with these pigtails in the end and make them all light up through one power source. And like I do in all my videos, I will leave a link in the description for you guys for those who want to get this for themselves. What I really like about these lights is that each of these lights, they're literally like, each of them weigh about half a pound. And you're really not gonna have to do any special drilling. What you can do is you can drill in these, hold on, let me try and get this into focus. You have these 2 brackets that are gonna be mounted to the ceiling or wherever you're going to mount it, and these are the only things that are gonna be holding up the light. That's how light these lights are. I went ahead and installed one of these lights already, and look how big of a difference this one makes. Boom! Already, that's just one light bar and already made a big difference in one section, and I can't wait to get the rest of the 5 set up. I'm gonna go ahead and get these set up off camera and really light up the garage. Alright, we got the new lights put in. Take a look now. This is how the lights were looking like before. And look how they look in this room. Oh my goodness. Look at the lighting in this room. It makes everything so much more clear. Now I can finally see everything from my parts, to my tools, to my cleaning supplies. Everything in this whole garage is now lit up and it looks very good. Now that the lights are in, I need to get everything cleaned up so we can get these walls painted. Hey, look how much extra dirt I was able to scoop now that I can actually see everything from all these lights. Yo, that's a lot of spider webs too. So it is actually the next day since we put on the lights, and now we're going to work on painting the walls. We already have a color picked out. It's this really nice cool gray, and I think it's really going to complement the room. We don't have too many walls to paint. We have that main pillar, we have the main wall, and the hallway down here. This definitely is going to be a very exciting video for today, but like the process of how my workshop is going to be built by where I'm making videos every day, that's at least something I wanted to document. I already went ahead and sanded down the walls. The spackle on here was pretty uneven. I just wanted to make the paint look as clean as possible. Yo, so what's going on, everybody? So it is the next day. I know this video is very out of place. It actually took like a few days to get everything done actually. But anyways, I'm ready to show you guys the painted walls. So here it is. It's in this gray. I think it looks really good. I mean, if you're really close up to the wall, you can really see the imperfections of where I couldn't spackle over it or anything like that. But I don't need the paint perfect for this room. I really just wanted to cover up the ugly streaks I had on the wall. And I think it looks really good. I was going to record the painting process, but there's not really much footage I can get with me painting the walls. Like, the most you'll ever see of me painting the walls is mainly doing this. But for the most part, the garage is about 90% done. There's only a few finishing touches I need to add, and I need to clean the garage a little bit and everything will be finished. But I'm really liking how everything is coming together. Obviously, it's not the most space, but it's very ideal for all the projects or little projects I want to handle in here. But definitely the lighting in here is so much better. Like, you can actually see everything and the rest of the details of the car. Before, it was just like a really dim light, and now it just basically looks like it's just bright all the time. Like, really, I've had these lights for a few days now, and just thinking working without these lights would actually just be such a big joke. But also, I'm also getting back into the grind of making videos again. I already have another video set out for you guys already. So while I'm working on making current content, I already have the future content already planned out. Anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for the video, guys. Stay tuned for the bypass video that's gonna be coming out soon, and I'll see you guys later.